FabFitFun Fall 2026 spoilers are continuing, and in this video, I'll reveal customization 5 details. There are some amazing beauty, skincare, wellness, and lifestyle products in this customization. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're planning your FabFitFun Fall 2026 box, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going through every single item in customization 5. In customization 5, there are 11 choices, including one luxe upgrade. The first spoiler is Summer Fridays Blush Butter Balm in soft strawberry, toasted terracotta, sweet rose, or dusty rose. This has a $26 value. This is a cream blush that melts beautifully into the skin, giving you a sheer, buildable finish with a natural dewy finish. It's formulated with nourishing shea butter, mango seed butter, lippy butter, hyaluronic acid, and ceramides, so it's designed to hydrate while adding color to your cheeks. I also like that it's fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, and gentle enough for sensitive skin. You can even use it on both your cheeks and lips, making it a really versatile product. I think having 4 different shades is a nice touch cause it gives members a chance to choose the color that suits them best. If you've tried Summer Fridays products before, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. The product details are: this product is a vegan and cruelty free, and the size of this blush is 0.08 ounce. And how to use this one is using a brush, sponge, or your fingertips, blend into cheeks or lips for a flush of color. The above ingredients are present in this product, and this is a female and BIPOC founded company, and there are no shipping restrictions on this one. The next option is the Remedy Skin Derm Dissolve Cleansing Balm, which is valued at $18. This is a cleansing balm that's designed to easily melt away makeup, sunscreen, and daily impurities while helping support your skin barrier with skin identical ceramides. If you wear makeup or SPF every day, this sounds like a gentle cleanser that would fit nicely into your skincare routine. The product details for this one are: this product is vegan, cruelty free, fragrance free, and is tested for sensitive skin. The size of this one is 1.50 ounce, and how to use this one is twist the grinder clockwise to dispense cleansing balm. The above ingredients are present in this product. This is a BIPOC founded company, and there are no shipping restrictions on this one. The next one is Mario Badescu Repairing Facial Spray with hypochlorous acid, which is valued at $18. This no-rinse facial mist helps remove impurities while calming visible redness and refreshing your skin throughout the day. The product details for this one are: this one is cruelty-free, paraben-free, alcohol-free, and fragrance-free. The size of this one is 4 ounce, and how to use this one: mist evenly onto the face or affected areas as needed, let air dry. The above ingredients are present in this product, and there are no shipping restrictions on this one. The next one is a beauty option. It is the Farmacy Lip Smoothie Vitamin C plus Peptide Lip Balm, which is valued at $22. This is available in apple or honey vanilla. This lip balm is packed with peptides and vitamin C to help hydrate, visibly plump, smooth the appearance of lip lines, and leave your lips with a beautiful high gloss finish for up to 8 hours. The product details for this one are: the size of this lip balm is 0.34 ounce, and how to use this one is apply as needed for external use only, and a pro tip is use as a lip primer and use on the top of a lip liner as a gloss. The above ingredients are present in this product, and there are no shipping restrictions on this one. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this FabFitFun Fall 2026 spoiler videos, I'd really appreciate if you would like this video and subscribe to my channel. Be sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Let's get back to the spoilers. The next one is Blissy set of 3 delicate bags, which are valued at $29.95. These mesh laundry bags are designed to protect delicate clothing while washing. The product details for this one are: the size of this bag is mentioned below, and the care instructions for this one are: sort your laundry and ensure you don't wash delicates with heavy clothing like jeans or jackets. Place your delicate product in the mesh bag and place it in your washer. These bags are made of 100% polyester and there are no shipping restrictions on this one. The next product is the Summer and Rose Greaseless Hair Clip in Tortoise, which are valued at $22. These lightweight acetate hair clips are designed to comfortably keep your hair out of fits while doing your makeup, skincare routine, or styling your hair. The product details for this one are: the size of these clips is mentioned below. The material used to make these clips are iron and acetate, and it's a female founded company and there are no shipping restrictions on this one. The next option is the Bloom Colostrum and Collagen Peptides Unflavored, which is valued at $29.99. This daily supplement combines bioactive colostrum with collagen peptides to help support gut health, immunity, and healthy hair, skin, and nails. The product details for this one are: this product is gluten free. The size of this one is 4.16 ounce. The above ingredients are present in this product. It's a female founded company. This has shipping restrictions. It can be shipped only to US and Canada customers only. The next product is Touchland Golden Amber Power Essence Body, Hair and Fragrance Mist, which is valued at $20. This isn't just a fragrance mist. It also contains skincare ingredients like hyaluronic acid, niacinamide to help leave both your skin and hair feeling hydrated, refreshed, and soft. The product details for this one are: the size of this one is 2 ounce. The above ingredients are present in this product and it's a female founded company. The next option is a luxe choice, which is the Hourglass Limited Edition Phantom Volumizing Glossy Balm Duo in Mystic and Trace, which is valued at $55, and this you can get with an additional price of $21. The product details for this one are: the size of this one is 0.05 ounce. The above ingredients are present in this product and it's a female founded company and there are no shipping restrictions on this one. The last one in this customization is Lit Method 6 months of Lit Method, which is valued at $59.99. This gives you 6 months of access to the Lit Method app, including strength training programs. FabFitFun provided the above instructions on how to use this one, and there are no shipping restrictions on this one. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Which product is your favorite so far? Let me know down in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you all so much for watching and for supporting my channel. Peace and blessings, my friends.